This video is part of this year's Roots Power of the Unseen theme, which celebrates the complex world beneath our feet and seeks to inspire a new appreciation for the unnoticed yet vital parts of our ecosystem.
Hello, I'm Patrick from Naples Botanical Garden, and I'm far out on our lakes trail, just mangrooving. What's mangrooving? Why, it's enjoying the sights and sounds found in our mangroves. Did you know, out of the 54 different species of mangroves found along coasts around the world, 4 are here in Florida? All 4 species, the red mangrove, the white mangrove, the black mangrove, and buttonwood, also happen to be in the garden. Now, you're probably wondering, what makes these trees and shrubs so groovy? Why, they can thrive in harsh conditions that other plants would find to be a total bummer. And this is thanks, in large part, to their roots. Each of these species have special adaptations that help them grow where other plants cannot. Black and white mangroves have specialized root structures called pneumatophores. Pneumata what? These act as snorkels, sticking out above the water to allow gas exchange to occur, absorbing nutrients from the air instead of just through the soil. These root systems also add additional stability in muddy soils. Additionally, these 2 species, along with buttonwood, excrete salt through their leaves as their roots absorb water. Red mangroves do not have pneumatophores. Instead, they have prop roots. These prop roots have membranes that allow gas exchange to occur, and the form of the prop roots actually help hold sediment in place, stabilizing our coastlines. All these adaptations, especially in the roots, allow mangroves to absorb nutrients from the air and the soil, as well as process out the harmful salt from the water. Mangrove roots not only help the trees themselves, but actually help animals and humans too. These roots form habitats for marine life, providing homes to thousands of different animals such as fish, crabs, and birds. They also protect inland areas by acting as windbreaks and storm buffers, preventing coastal erosion. Mangroves hang tough, holding coastlines in place all over the world while flourishing in poor soils. What is unreal is they do this at the water's edge, where they are at risk from development. Mangroves offer protection to many animals and people, but these cool cats with their groovy roots are also in need of protection from removal so they can continue to hold the front line along our coasts. Thank you, can't wait to see you in the garden.